G'day folks. Friend of mine's really under the pump work-wise, so I offered to give him a hand. He came back with this, a chamfer to suit a thread but no thread, and 9mm hex brass. Unbelievable. Anyway, we decided I'd have a go at cutting the threads for him, see if I could get close enough to the shoulder, and I'd see if I could get some 9mm brass. Locally I can buy 4 metric hex brass sizes, but 9 is not one of them. So I tried AliExpress, and this is the sort of page I was looking at. You pick the length you want, you pick the size you want, and then you pick how many you need, and you place your order. So some $88, and 12 days later it arrived at my door. So the first problem of the 9mm hex is fixed. There's a comparison of the prices. 2.5 meters of brass from China and 3.5 meters of 3/8 brass in Melbourne. Here's the brass that arrived. As you can see, it's got a very strange surface finish. Looks to me for all the world like it was actually cut with the side of an end mill. So problem number 2 is, can I cut a thread close enough to a shoulder and not have all the thread disappear with thread relief? So I thought, if I need to prove that I can thread right up to a shoulder, I'll need a nut. So if I've got to make a nut, I need a tap. Engineering shop prices for taps were horrendous because they were quoting high-speed steel. So I needed to find someone who could supply carbon steel taps. I needed 2 taps because there's another job to do that uses 5/16 by 26 thread. I managed to find taps at Bolton Scale Models in Sydney, and the 2 taps and postage came to $34.40. I was just amazed. I mean, it was well over $100 for 2 taps in high-speed steel. And here's the 2 taps with their nuts ready for me to get on and do some work. Thank you for watching.